Hello friends! Welcome to the first lesson of the course HTML and CSS for beginners from scratch. And in this lesson we will get acquainted with the source code of the site. The source code of the site, or the site's HTML code, is a site structure written using HTML tags. All elements of the site, blocks, buttons, links, pictures, are created using HTML tags. All of these HTML tags together to form the source code for the site. Before displaying the site, the browser scans the entire HTML code and displays the site as we used to see it. The browser scans all HTML tags, all related CSS styles, JavaScripts, organizes all the functionality of the site, and then display it to us completely ready for use. For example, I suggest you take a look at the source code for brackets.io. To open the source code of the site, you need to right-click and select View Source Code, or press hotkeys Ctrl-U. Okay, here is the source code of the site. There are a lot of different tags that the browser scans and displays so that it's convenient for us to use the site. I will teach you how to create just such code. Let's see what are the main HTML tags that exist on a web page. The first line contains the doctype HTML tag. It must always be written. Doctype HTML tells the browser which version of HTML we are using. Write it whenever you create a site. After doctype is the HTML tag. Here it opens and closes at the end of the site. Inside the HTML tag there are two top-level tags. The first header tag, it opens here and closes here, and also the body tag, it opens and closes at the bottom of the site. Inside the header tag you need to write all the service headers. Inside the header tag there are meta tags that are needed for a search engine or browser. Also inside this tag is a tag with the title of the site. Inside the header tag, CSS files with styles are connected to create the design site. Here you can connect the site icon, which is displayed in the browser tab here. And inside the body tag you need to write all the other tags, with the help of which the site content is created, that is visually displayed on the site. Inside the body tag are pictures, buttons, menus, links, blocks, and so on. Also in the HTML code there are a lot of div tags with which blocks are created on the site. All sites are created using blocks, and inside each block pictures, buttons, links, and all other elements of the site are placed. For example, the H1 tag creates a heading on a site, and the A tag creates a link on a site, using the P tag to create a paragraph. If you want to add an image to the site, then use the EMG tag. For example, the site has text. This text is a paragraph and is written inside the tag P. Tag P. There are also pictures on the site. There are 3 of them, and in HTML code they are created using the EMG tag. There are also attributes inside each tag. For example, there is an attribute in this tag. There is also an attribute here. The image EMG tag also has an attribute. Each attribute performs its task. We will talk about them later. Throughout the course we will refer to the attributes. Creating HTML layout of the site is not so difficult. Most importantly, you should understand what tags exist, know them by heart, and write them correctly and in a structured way in HTML code. I hope you now understand what the source code of the site is See you in the next lesson.